43rd. Come get your hat hustle.
Hello, everybody.
So good. I actually really liked it.
You still want to stay with me. I'm done with all these spices. And I'm finding.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we are heading to New York, y'all. We're going to New York. I'm so excited. I have a whole itinerary plan. And I don't know if you guys actually can hear me because my mic is not connecting for some reason. So I'm just going to have to work with what I have. Guys, we are on the first flight. Guys, we're currently on our way to Oslo. We're going to Norway. And then from Norway, it should be about an hour wait to catch the flight to New York. So we're going from London Heathrow to Oslo. And then from Oslo to New York. Should be a quick stopover, about an hour, which is not bad because I've done worse. I've definitely done worse. Yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated when I get to Oslo. And yeah. So guys, we're finally on the plane. We're heading to JFK. Y'all, that was a school bus.
Emeralds, no.
We went to see yet. Morning, boys! Brooklyn Bridge today. And yeah, hopefully those are two main things I'm trying to get ticked off for today. It's gonna be a good vlog. It's gonna be a good day. Trying to find Libby. Where Libby at?
He took the midnight train.
The views from my hotel. It's actually a really nice view. We're about to go to Chinatown and do some shopping, get some food. Yeah, let's see what Chinatown holds. I've had a lot actually. I've had it really good. So, guys, so we have started the tour. It's about to rain soon, and I got a helicopter ride after this. So.
Hello, everybody. Can you guys all hear me?
Yeah, we can.
My name is Salvatore, okay? If you have any questions on the flight,
Guys, I just did the helicopter ride. Oh my god, that was so good. I actually really liked it. Good to see a lot. Oh my gosh, that was really good. I'll give it a 10. A 10 out of 10. Once I got in that helicopter, I was so natural to it. Oh my gosh, that was really good. Shout out New York. My auntie's birthday. Going out for my auntie's birthday. This is the look. Look at my bitch, she looking scared. Eat at. Get some food. And yeah, I just hope the food is good, generally. Once you come out of Times Square, that's when you actually see New York for itself. Like, you get to interact with the locals. Alright guys, we found it. I got the something cheese. I can't remember my order. I can't remember my full order. But it was like bacon, egg and cheese, I think. I got a lot to go with it. If I worked around here and I had this around me, I'm eating every day. I'm currently looking for this viral Hatton viewpoint. Guys, look at this view of Chinatown. What a beautiful view. Found it. Wow. Yeah. As I'm at Lids right now, I'm getting a custom hat. Come New York and you don't get custom hat, like you wanna say hello?
Yeah, what's up? You know, unique.
What's up? Yeah.
Little Liz, 43rd. Come get your hat custom.
Right, come to Lids.
Yeah.
Where is it? What street is this?
Hold on, I don't even know the street. What street is this?
43rd.
What's
Come.
Welcome in.
This is amazing. This is so beautiful. Guys, this is so pretty. I'm actually loving this. We in Manhattan turning up another night. Y'all in Santos, I'm running out of spot.